You're always looking for ways to help grow your business. Installing more roofs while getting fewer callbacks month over month. The demand for solar is heating up. Homeowners see the value of turning their roof into an energy source for their home. But how can you tap into this growing market while still offering a warranty that gives your customers peace of mind? Owens Corning is proud to introduce our Solar Protect program, a first of its kind in the industry. By selecting approved mounting systems and flashing and installing them according to Owens Corning guidelines, contractors can offer homeowners the flexibility to choose solar panels and configurations that meet their needs, while still protecting the roof with our Solar Protect warranty. Offering this option to homeowners can lead to an increase in leads and can result in increased sales and more positive reviews from homeowners who are looking to be more energy efficient. Correct installation is important, which is why Owens Corning offers a range of training resources and guidance so that contractors have the confidence they need on each project. This means that if there's an issue associated with the mount install, Owens Corning will confirm coverage under the terms of the warranty, which could even include the removal and reinstall of the panels. Stand out in your market and build your business by offering the Owens Corning Solar Protect program and warranty.